Hey guys, in this video, we will go through this Leetcode 102 binary tree level order traversal. Let's take a look at this example in here. We have a tree looks like this. A level traversal means that we will traverse the first level, second level, third level. So the first level have only one node, which is 3, and the second level have 2 nodes, 9 and 20. The third level has 2 numbers is 15 and 7, and then the rest, these 2 examples are pretty trivial. And this question was asked by all these big names. So we will solve this problem by using 2 approaches. One is the recursive approach, which will give us more intuition, and then the next approach we will apply the BFS by using an iterative approach. So let's do the recursive function first. So we need an answer. This is empty list, and also we need a recursor, and that takes in 2 things. One is the root, another one is the level, right? And if the length of the answer is equal to level, that means the answer is not long enough. So for example, for the first level, which is a level 0, and the length of the current answer list is empty, that's why we need the first list inside this list. So that's why we need to append the list for that level, and also we need to append it to the list. Okay, so and then if root dot left, because we go in, you see a number from left to the right, so root dot left is not none, and what we do is recursively call the function. Of course, we're calling root dot left first, and then level increase by 1, and then we will call it for the right child. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. And then the last thing we need to get done is to trigger running by inputting the root, also level 0, and then we return the answer. Okay, and oops, yes, there's one edge case. If root equal to none, we return a empty list, and then let's try again. Perfect. And so that's the first approach. And yeah, before we go into the second approach, let's talk about the time complexity. This is a big O of n because you need to traverse all the possible nodes, and also the space complexity is a big O of n as well. We have the answer list here that is collecting all the possible values. So that's the first approach. And second approach, I'm gonna leave this part over here. And for the BFS, we need a queue. Actually, we need two queues. We need Q1, Q2, and then you will see why I need those. And Q1 is equal to root to start, and Q2 is empty. Also, we need an empty list. So while Q1 or Q2, and while Q1, so a temp root equals to Q1 dot pop at the beginning, because this is a queue. Queue means first in, first come, first out. So that's why it pops the very first one from the list. And in terms of ordering, which one goes to the next queue first? As you can see, so it pop off the first one first. That's why we need to append the left one first, right? Because we are reading from the left to the right. That's why, and then this guy will be popping off first. That's why you should append the left first. So if temp root is not known, and here is where I'm going to use the Q2. Q2 dot append temp root dot. Sorry, so it's gonna be temp root dot left and temp root dot left. And then we will do the same thing for the right child. In the second queue. And after that, we need to collect the value. So, okay, so also we need the value, the level list. And level equals to, level.append temp root dot val, right? And after we finish Q1, and what we need to do is to put the Q1, put the value in Q2 to be the Q1. So basically, after collecting all the value from Q2 for Q2, and then we transfer all the value to Q1, and then Q2 is ready for the next collection, next round collection. So we empty them, and also level and empty it as well for the next collection, the next level collection. And yeah, and finally we need to append it to the answer list. And we need to do it before we clear out the list. Okay. And return answer. That's basically it. So let's run it to see what happens. Oops. There's a typo here. Okay, it works. Okay, looks pretty efficient. And time complexity is B over N because we are traversing all the possible nodes. And space complexity is also B over N. This is the answer list. This is collecting all the possible numbers. Of course, we have also the level list as well. So that's so much for my solution to this problem. I hope you like it. If you do, please like this video and consider subscribe to the channel. There will be huge encouragement to me to create more future video looks like this. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.